bed. Please place the tray in water carefully to avoid spilling any food. Please open the lids of the rice and side dishes and set them aside. Say enjoy your meal. This is the patient gown delivery process. Please verify the information and place the patient gown that fits the patient's size in the cart. The correct size has... Say I brought the patient gown. Please open the curtains. Please place the patient gown on the bed. Please close the curtains. Please wait until I've changed. Grasp both armrests of the wheelchair and unfold it. Please lock all the brakes on the front of the wheelchair. Use the remote. Please release all the brakes on the front of the wheelchair. Please carefully hold the handles and push to prevent the patient from falling out of the wheelchair.